Emily was a 24-year-old college graduate, stuck in a routine that felt more like survival than living. She worked in a corporate office, surrounded by the hum of keyboards and the ticking of clocks, counting the hours until the day ended. It was a stable job, sure, but stability had come at a price: her happiness, her dreams, and her sense of purpose. Emily had always been passionate about crafting jewelry. As a teenager, she would spend hours weaving beads and metals into intricate designs, imagining herself as a creator of beauty. But somewhere along the way, between the pressures of college, student loans, and societal expectations, her passion had been shelved. Her days were now filled with spreadsheets and meetings, her dreams reduced to fleeting thoughts in the quiet of the night. One evening, after a particularly draining day, Emily sat on her small apartment couch, scrolling through her phone aimlessly. That's when she stumbled across a video titled "How I Quit My Job to Follow My Passion." Intrigued, she clicked on it. The video told the story of someone who had taken a bold leap of faith to pursue their dreams. As she listened, something stirred inside her. She remembered the joy she once felt while creating jewelry, the excitement of turning simple materials into something meaningful. For the first time in years, Emily let herself imagine, what if I gave myself a chance? What if I could turn my passion into something real? The idea was exhilarating and terrifying. How would she survive without a steady paycheck? What if she failed? What would people think of her? The doubts were overwhelming, but the thought of spending her life in regret, wondering what if, was even more frightening. One sleepless night, Emily made the decision that would change everything. She wrote her resignation letter, trembling as she typed the words. When she handed it to her boss the next morning, her heart raced with fear and excitement. She didn't have a detailed plan, but she had something more important: hope. The transition was anything but smooth. Emily used her savings to buy materials and began crafting jewelry again. She reached out to local stores, hoping to sell her creations, but most rejected her designs. She spent hours on her laptop, learning about online selling platforms and social media marketing, but the results were slow. Weeks turned into months, and the orders trickled in, barely enough to cover her expenses. Emily's self-doubt grew louder with every passing day. There were moments when she questioned her decision, moments when she felt like giving up and returning to her old life. But deep down, she knew she couldn't. She had taken the leap, and there was no going back. Then, one day, everything changed. Emily decided to showcase her work on Instagram. She spent hours photographing her pieces, writing heartfelt captions, and sharing her journey. At first, her posts received little attention, but she kept at it. And then, out of nowhere, one of her posts went viral. It was a simple photo of a bracelet with the caption, "Made with love and a leap of faith." The design resonated with people, and within days, Emily's inbox was flooded with orders. Her follower count skyrocketed, and her tiny dream began to take shape. Over the next 2 years, Emily worked tirelessly to grow her business. She learned to manage inventory, handle customer inquiries, and expand her product line. She faced new challenges, but each one was a reminder of how far she had come. Today, Emily runs a successful jewelry brand, employing a small team and shipping her creations across the country. Her work is not just a source of income, it's a reflection of her journey, her courage, and her belief in herself. Looking back, Emily often marvels at how one decision changed her life forever. It wasn't an easy decision, but it was the right one. She had traded comfort for purpose, fear for faith, and regret for fulfillment. Her story is a testament to the power of taking risks and believing in your dreams. As Emily likes to say, sometimes, the hardest decisions lead to the most beautiful destinations.